Hello everyone. Welcome to Spring Boot REST Tutorial Episode 5. This is my channel Proto Hub. In this video, I will explain you on what is statelessness in REST API. Let us move on. A REST API is said to be stateless if and only if, when the server will not store anything related to sessions. Every interaction on the server is independent to each other. Hence, every request that comes from the client is treated as brand new request. Let us take some real-time examples to understand the statelessness even better. The first example will be booking multiple tickets to the same destination on same train. In this example, when we book the ticket for the first time, the request is a brand new. When I book another ticket, even at that time, the incoming request is treated as brand new one. Thus, there are no sessions maintained or used from the previous request. The second example will be storage process in random access memory, which is shortly called RAM. In this example, the data stored in the RAM memory will be there until we shut down the system. When we start the system, the previously stored data will not be there inside RAM, and this storage will be a brand new one to store the current data. Thus, there are no storage process maintained or used for storing the data which was there before shutdown. Thus, in this video, I have explained you on what is statelessness in REST. In the next video, I will illustrate the difference between stateful versus stateless in REST. See you in the next video. Bye.